welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we're going to be working on, as what you saw in the title, we're going to be working on a moto 105. So I picked this bike up already for a month while we're making this video now. The bike is in really good condition. I know for sure what we definitely need is tires and brakes, and I have a spare brake caliper, brand new one that was from a previous project. So I'm just gonna grab those brake pads and put them on our red brake caliper. So guys, we do have the tires in already, and I got a different tread design. So what I'm gonna try and do right now is I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be working on. I'm gonna grab the bike, take the wheels off, and take them to get swapped. So stick around, guys, so that we can check out this Monster Moto restoration, and we'll be right back. gonna be our Monster Moto 105. So I already took everything apart, pulled all the engine out and everything. I mean, this bike really isn't gonna need any painting or anything, but it really needs a really good cleaning because it is filthy, filthy, filthy dirty. So I'm gonna grab my super awesome spray, and we're gonna start spraying this bike, and we're gonna get it all nice and clean. We're gonna clean the handlebars, clean the bottom of the engine, clean the engine all in itself. Make sure we clean the tires and swap out for the new ones. I actually was able to swap out the tires myself. It was really easy. I did not think it was that simple. I've changed tire size 7 before on a Baja trail bike, and man, that was a pain in the butt. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take it somewhere and they could just swap them out. They charged me $10 a tire. However, I was able to pull the other tires off and put the new tires in myself. So guys, make sure you guys stick around to part 2 to this video. This is gonna be a sick bike. I really like this bike. It really looks super cool. I've been wanting to do a Monster Moto for some time now, and I finally was able to get my hands on one, and it's gonna be a sick build. This bike is almost brand new condition, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, and we're gonna put it all back together. See you guys on part 2. Peace, guys, and I'm out.